Right. We have been discussing adjustment part. Think there are 16 lessons we have discussed on day level. 16 lesson mainly can be divided by two parts: financial accounts as well as management accounts. We have been discussing financial account part. There are 4 organizations, 3 types of business available. Our duty, we are going to provide information about the business organization to the interest party. Therefore, that is the idea. Therefore, for provide information to the interest party, financial statement should be prepared. Think process. All the business organization, when they are going to prepare financial statement, from the beginning, changes in resource of the business organization should be recognized as transaction and events. Then information should be collected by using source documents. Third one, information should be recorded in the prime and books. Then information included in the prime and books should be recorded in the ledger. Think general ledger as well as sub ledgers. By closing ledger account, trial balance should be prepared in the general ledger. If trial balance is not equal, error correction, then adjustment. You have to know how to prepare financial statement based on trial balance. We are going to discuss how to prepare income statement as well as statement of financial position based on trial balance. Therefore, we have to discuss adjustment. We have discussed already bad debts and doubtful debts adjustment. And last week I have discussed EPF and ETF adjustment. I will discuss later some example relevant for EPF and ETF as well as bad debts and doubtful debts also. But today I am going to discuss from the beginning depreciation adjustment. Think depreciation, all the business organization available land, building, motor vehicle, office equipment, like that non-current asset available. All the business organization available non-current assets. Therefore, depreciation. ඒ කියන්නේ ගන්න ඇසෙට් හැමදාම අපිට පාවිච්චි කරන්න බෑ. කාලත් එක්කව වටිනාකම අඩු වෙලා යනවා. නැති වෙලා යනවා. Therefore, depreciation should be calculated. Depreciation. And you have to know how to record depreciation in the ledger account also. There are two parts I am going to discuss from the beginning. First one, you have to know how to calculate annual depreciation as well as think how to record in the ledger account also. Then I will discuss some example, EPF and ETF and bad debts and doubtful debts also again. Right, this is the theory. Think depreciation can be calculated by using two methods. Think about theory part, very important. Depreciation can be calculated by using two methods. First one is straight line methods. Straight line methods. And second one, reducing balance methods. Therefore, this part very important. Depreciation can be calculated by using two methods: straight line basis as well as reducing balance methods. Decided by the business organization based on future economic benefits. ඒ කියන්නේ asset එකේ benefit එක එක සමාන විදිහට අපිට හම්බ වෙනවා වගේ පේනවා නම් අනාගත අවුරුදු වල we have to use straight line methods. ඒ කියන්නේ future economic benefit අඩු වෙන විදිහට හම්බ වෙනවා නම් ඒ කියන්නේ වැඩිපුර මුලින් හම්බෙලා ඊට පස්සේ අඩු වෙන විදිහට හම්බ වෙනවා නම් future economic benefit එක asset එකේ we have to apply reducing balance methods. Therefore, depreciation method also decided by the business based on future economic benefits. If future economic benefits are expected to inflow equally each year, we have to use straight line methods. The benefit එක අඩු වෙන විදිහට හම්බ වෙනවා නම් we have to use reducing balance methods. Think there are two equations on the straight line basis. Very important. You have to know how to calculate depreciation. Think cost minus residual value divided by useful lifetime. And cost value into depreciation rate. Useful lifetime කියන්නේ දැන් නිකන් motor vehicle එක අපි ගන්නවා කියලා හිතන්නකො. අන්නේ ගන්න motor vehicle එකේ benefit ඒ විදිහටම හම්බ වෙන කාලෙට අපි කියනවා ඒ විදිහටම හම්බ වෙන කාලෙට අපි කියනවා useful lifetime කියලා. ඒ කියන්නේ motor vehicle එකක් අපි ගත්තොත් ඒ ගන්න asset එකේ benefit එක ඒ විදිහටම හම්බ වෙන කාලය. ඒ කියන්නේ use කරන්න පුළුවන් කාලේ නෙවෙයි. දැන් සාමාන්‍ය බලන වාහනයක් ලංකාව නම් අවුරුදු 30ක් 40ක් use කරනවා. නමුත් benefit එක ඒ විදිහටම හම්බ වෙන කාලේ සාමාන්‍ය අවුරුදු 5ක් විතර. වාහනයක. It is called useful lifetime. Lifetime නෙවෙයි useful lifetime කියන්නේ benefit එක ඒ විදිහටම හම්බ වෙන කාලේ. Residual value mean after useful lifetime ik market value. ඒක නිකන් හිතන්න අවුරුදු 5යි පාවිච්චි කරන පුළුවන් කියලා හිතන්නකො. අවුරුදු 5යි benefit එක ඒ විදිහටම හම්බ වෙන කියලා හිතන්න. අන්නේ අවුරුදු 5 පාවිච්චි කළාට පස්සේ මාකට් එකේ විකුණන්න පුළුවන් ගාණ. අන්න ඒකට කියනවා reducing balance methods. This is residual value. It is called residual value. Life useful lifetime එක ඉවර වුණාට පස්සේ මාකට් එකේ විකුණන්න පුළුවන් ගාණ. Residual value. The thing how to calculate depreciation, cost minus residual value divided by useful lifetime or cost value into depreciation rate. ඒ කියන්නේ business එක ඇතුළේ තියෙන motor vehicle, building, land, office equipment ඒවා හැමදාම ඒ විදිහට තියෙන්නේ නැහැ බලන්න. ඒවගේ වටිනාකම එන්නේ නඩු වෙනවා. It is called depreciation. Therefore, depreciation can be calculated by using two methods, straight line methods and reducing balance methods. Under straight line methods, there are two equations, cost minus residual value divided by useful lifetime or cost value into depreciation rate. It is depend on given information. And think reducing balance methods, how to calculate depreciation. Cost minus accumulated depreciation into depreciation rate. Accumulated depreciation mean total depreciation up to beginning of the year. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ වෙනකන් කරපු depreciation වල total එක අඩු කරන්න ඕන. From cost value, then into depreciation rate can be calculated annual depreciation. Therefore, this is a theory. You have to know how to calculate depreciation, two methods, and think there are three equations. Then think how to record in the ledger accounts. Think double entry also can be recorded by using two methods. First one thing, depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit. Think when we are going to record in the ledger accounts, also two methods can be applied. First one, depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit. And second one, depreciation expense account debit, relevant asset account credit. If it is building depreciation expense account debit, building account credit. But normally we have to use these methods when we are going to record in the ledger accounts. Normally we have to use depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit. Normally, right? Therefore, this is the way we have to calculate depreciation, and this is the way you are recording the ledger accounts. All the business organization available, land, building, motor vehicle, office equipment like that, non-current assets. Therefore, you have to know how to calculate depreciation and how to record in the ledger accounts. We are going to discuss sole proprietorships, partnerships, and company. All the business organization available, those kind of assets. Therefore, you have to know how to calculate depreciation and how to record in the ledger account also. Right. See the question number 1. දැන් අපි ගණන් ටික හදලා බලමු මේක. කොහොමද තේරුම් ගන්න try කරන්න how to calculate depreciation, straight line methods as well as reducing balance methods. Think about question number 11. We have given TOT already. Question number 11. Right from the beginning, I'm going to discuss straight line methods. Straight line methods. See the example, question number 11. Read carefully and think how to calculate depreciation and how to record in the ledger account also. First one, read carefully. And given trial balance 31st March 25. Think how to calculate depreciation and how to record the ledger account also. The motor vehicle available trial balance, motor vehicle, and given accumulated depreciation also. Think accumulated depreciation is given 240,000 beginning of the year. And given depreciation state and methods rate is given 20%. Our accounting period end of the year 31st March 25. Think end of the year 31st March 25. There's relevant ledger accounts for the year end 31st March 25. They have think how to calculate depreciation from the beginning. Then think how to record the ledger account also. Cost value is given 800,000, but given accumulated depreciation 240,000. State and methods. Think there are two equations available. You have to decide based on given information which equation should be applied to calculate annual depreciation. You have to decide based on given information. Think cost value 800,000, but given accumulated depreciation 240,000. The depreciation rate is given. If it is given depreciation rate, think cost value into depreciation rate, annual depreciation can be calculated. That from the beginning, try to calculate annual depreciation. Cost value into depreciation rate. Right, first one, try to calculate depreciation also. First one, write the equation. Cost value into depreciation rate, and think how to record the ledger account also. That depreciation should be calculated. This is the equation. Question number 11. Depreciation equal cost value into depreciation rate. It has given depreciation rate. Therefore, depreciation rate 20%. State and methods. Keeping depreciation equal cost value 800,000 and annual rate is given 20%. Therefore, this is the way you have to calculate depreciation. State and methods. Cost value and depreciation rate is given. Therefore, cost value into depreciation rate, annual depreciation can be calculated. Then think how to record the ledger accounts. Think ledger account, there are two ledger accounts. First one, motor vehicle depreciation expense accounts, as well as accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle. This is the way we have to calculate depreciation. Then think how to record the ledger accounts. Motor vehicle depreciation expense accounts and accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle. Two separate ledger accounts. First one, calculate depreciation say like this and prepare the ledger accounts. Record given balance also. Think accumulated depreciation account balance available. Accumulated depreciation is asset accounts. Therefore, balance we can see credit side. And record given balance as BBF. Accumulated depreciation also asset accounts. Accumulated depreciation also asset accounts. But effect for asset decrease, therefore balance available credit side. Prepare the ledger accounts and think how to record in the ledger account also. Think accumulated depreciation also asset accounts, but effect for asset decrease, therefore we can see credit balance. But normally accumulated depreciation, normal asset account we can see debit balance, but accumulated depreciation also asset accounts, but we can see credit balance. Reason effect for asset decrease. Prepare the ledger account like this and record given balance as a BBF. Think how to calculate depreciation straight line methods. There are two equations should be applied. Two equations. Right, record given balance as a BBF. Record given balance as a BBF and given accumulated depreciation account balance also. Like 240,000. Therefore, 240,000 balance available credit side as a BBF. No need to prepare motor vehicle accounts, depreciation expense accounts, and accumulated depreciation. Given balance, trial balance, this is the total depreciation up to beginning of the year. And then think annual depreciation, double entry, depreciation expense account debit 160,000 and accumulated depreciation account credit 160. Depreciation expense account debit as accumulated depreciation, name of other ledger accounts, and accumulated depreciation account credit as a depreciation expense accounts. Think depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit. First one, record given balance as a BBF. Accumulated depreciation account also asset accounts, but normal asset account we can see debit balance, but here we can see credit balance. Reason, effect for asset decrease. Think how to calculate annual depreciation. Like depreciation is expense accounts, therefore should be closed. Depreciation is expense account should be closed, but accumulated depreciation is asset accounts, balance should be carried out. Right, close mean difference value should be considered as an income statement like this. Think closing entry. Here cannot be written as a balance carried out now as an income statement or profit and loss accounts. It is called closing entry. This value should be recorded any organization under distribution expense when preparing income statement expense. But accumulated depreciation is asset accounts, credit side increase, total value equal 400,000. Take the same value debit side and difference value as a balance carried out. Therefore, this is a value should be recorded financial position under accumulated depreciation. Think under non-current assets, cost minus accumulated depreciation. As accumulated depreciation should be recorded closing balance. Think opening balance plus annual depreciation. Therefore, this is accumulated depreciation. For make and distribution expense as a motor vehicle depreciation, but accumulated depreciation closing balance should be recorded under non-current assets. Think cost minus accumulated depreciation. As accumulated depreciation should be considered closing balance. Straight line methods. Given depreciation rate. If it is given depreciation rate, cost value into depreciation rate. But think there are two equations. Sometimes it is given residual value also. Sometimes it is given residual value also. Right. Try to complete. Think how to calculate depreciation and think how to record in the ledger account also. Straight line methods. You have to know how to calculate depreciation. Then think how to record in the ledger account also. Think closing entry also. For a close current income and expense accounts. Income and expense account should be closed, but assets, liability, and equity account should be balance carried down. Complete workings and prepare the ledger account also. Think there are two methods can be applied: straight line methods as well as reducing balance methods. You have to know how to calculate annual depreciation, both straight line methods as well as reducing balance methods. Think depreciation method also decided by the business based on future economic benefits. On depreciation method decide කරන business එක based on future economic benefits. ඒ කියන්නේ future economic benefit එක සමාන විදිහට හම්බ වෙනවා නම් we have to use straight line basis. මුලින් වැඩිපුර හම්බෙලා ඊට පස්සේ අඩු වෙන විදිහට හම්බ වෙනවා නම් we have to use reducing balance methods. Think how to calculate depreciation also, annual depreciation. Right. Then move to question number 14 වලට යන්න. Question number 14 also second equation relevant for straight line methods. Think question number 14. Read carefully same requirements. Think under straight line methods there are two equations available. Think about question number 14. Item motor vehicle cost value 72 million and given up to beginning of the year total depreciation also as accumulated depreciation and residual value is given as well as useful lifetime is given. On a useful lifetime කියන්නේ asset එකෙන් හම්බෙන benefit එක ඒ විදිහටම හම්බෙන කාලේ. සාමාන්‍ය motor vehicle එකක් නම් අවුරුදු 5යි ඒ විදිහටම benefit එක හම්බෙන්නේ. නමුත් ලංකාවේ නම් අවුරුදු 20ක් 30ක් පාවිච්චි කරන motor vehicle. ඒකට අපි කියන්නේ lifetime එක කියලා. But you have to use useful lifetime. පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් කාලේ නෙවෙයි බලන්න අපි benefit එක ඒ විදිහටම හම්බෙන කාලේ. The residual value කියන්නේ after useful lifetime it market value. කියන්නේ benefit එක ඒ විදිහටම හම්බෙන කාලේ පාවිච්චි කළාට පස්සේ market එකේ විකුණුවොත් හම්බෙන ගාන. Residual value. Think cost minus residual value divided by useful lifetime annual depreciation can be calculated. Straight line methods. Right, question number 14. Also think second equation cost minus residual value divided by useful lifetime. And given residual value also, lifetime is given. Think accumulated depreciation also given up to beginning of the year. Right. Prepare first one, calculate depreciation and record in the ledger account also. Think how to calculate depreciation now. Question number 14. Question number 14. It has given residual value and useful lifetime. Depreciation method is not given. Therefore, this is the way you have to calculate depreciation. Depreciation equal cost minus residual value. Cost minus residual value. Cost minus residual value divided by useful lifetime. Useful lifetime. Therefore, this is equation should be applied to calculate depreciation now. Not given depreciation rate. Both are straight line methods. ඒ කියන්නේ asset එකේ benefit එක එක සමාන විදිහට හම්බ වෙනවා වගේ අපිට පේනවා නම් අපි apply කරන්න ඕනේ straight line method එක. මේ method එකේ හැම අවුරුද්දෙම වෙන depreciation එක සමාන ගාණක් එන්නේ. Right. Think depreciation method also decided by the business. It is called estimate. Depreciation method is a estimates based on future economic benefits. Decided methods. Right, now calculates cost value is given 72,000. Given values in 1,000. Residual value is given 12,000. Cost minus residual value. It is called depreciable amounts. මෙන්න මේකෙන් මේක අඩු කරපුවම උත්තර අපි කරනවා depreciable amounts. Cost minus residual value equal depreciable amounts divided by useful lifetime. Useful lifetime. Therefore, think annual depreciation equal 120,000. Therefore, this is the annual depreciation. But there's ledger account also. Same way, two separate ledger accounts, motor vehicle depreciation expense accounts, and accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle. First one thing, how to calculate depreciation, and second one thing, how to record in the ledger account also. They have a double entry, motor vehicle depreciation expense account debit, motor vehicle depreciation expense account debit, and accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle. Accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle account credit. Prepare two separate ledger accounts. Motor vehicle depreciation expense, accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle. Think recording part same. Here also same way. But think how to calculate depreciation. If it has given depreciation rate, cost value into depreciation rate. But if it has given residual value and useful lifetime, this is the equation. Right, given balance should be recorded as a balance brought forwards. Think accumulated depreciation account balance available. Accumulated depreciation account balance brought forward credit side, and given accumulated depreciation 24,000. Credit side as a balance brought forwards. Accumulated depreciation. Then think annual depreciation. Think double entry. Prepare the ledger accounts and record given balance as a BBF. Then think annual depreciation equal 120,000. Annual depreciation equal 120,000. Double entry, depreciation expense account debit 120,000 as accumulated depreciation, and depreciation expense account credit, accumulated depreciation account credit as a depreciation expense. Annual depreciation equal 100. So here will equal 12,000. Annual depreciation equal 12,000. Therefore, think depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit. Think how to record depreciation. Motor vehicle depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit. Then motor vehicle depreciation expense accounts. Therefore, motor vehicle depreciation should be closed. That is expense accounts. But accumulated depreciation is asset accounts. Balance should be carried down. Balance carried down. First one thing, how to calculate depreciation. Statement methods. Two equation. Cost value into depreciation rate, or cost minus residual value divided by useful lifetime. Then think how to record depreciation, annual depreciation, depreciation expense account debit, and accumulated depreciation account credit. They have debit side, total value equal to 12,000. Take the same value credit side and difference value as an income statement. It is called closing entry. But accumulated depreciation is asset accounts. Balance should be carried down. Credit side increase. Take the same value debit side and difference value as a balance carried down. 36,000. It should be recorded credit side as a balance brought forward also. 36,000. Think accumulated depreciation also asset accounts, but we can see credit balance. Normal asset account we can see debit balance. Straight line methods. Prepare the workings. Think how to calculate annual depreciation as well as how to record in the ledger account also. Straight line methods. Think two methods can be applied. Straight line methods and reduced imbalance methods. And straight line method, there are two equations. Straight line method, there are two equations. Cost value into depreciation rate, or cost minus residual value divided by remaining useful lifetime. First one thing, how to calculate depreciation, and thing how to record in the ledger account also. And accumulated depreciation is asset accounts. Accumulated depreciation asset accounts. Therefore, balance would be carried down. But motor vehicle depreciation expense accounts should be closed. Then I will discuss reduce embarrass method also. Think reduce embarrass methods.